In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily fix professional mode not showing on Facebook in 2024. So that's quite simple and interesting, but before starting the tutorial, make sure that you watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So first of all, you will have to head over to the Facebook application and then tap on menu on the bottom right and then tap on your profile. Now if you want to switch over to professional mode, you have to make sure one thing, that your profile is not locked. In my case, my profile is being locked. So first of all, you will be need to unlock your profile, and once you'll unlock it, click on unlock and click on unlock your profile. Once you have unlocked your profile, you can simply click on three dots and click on turn on professional mode, and you will be able to turn on by pressing turn on. And once it will load, your professional mode will be turned on. And if it doesn't work, you can go to settings and general and iPhone storage, and right here you will simply have to click on Facebook and click on offload app and click on offload and then reinstall that particular app Facebook, and your problem will be solved in 2024. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and